stands with warm and wide, inviting sands. I wish that somehow I could reach this place. But the more I swim, the more I see I simply just can never be living all the dreams I planned to make. Still I'll fall unafraid, so you don't sink away. The panic's rising in me like the tugging tide, but promise calmer waters lay my doubts aside. Hope lifts my weighted mind, and though my heart will break, love's left within my wake that cannot sink away. In this pain an island rests where all I want is safely kept. I wish that somehow I could reach this place. But the more I swim, the more I see I simply just can never be. So I'll drown with the dreams I plan to make, and I'll fall unafraid, so you don't sink away. The quiet rushes in, the roaring waves subside, and I feel a calm I've never known before. Who knew a heart could beat the doubt deep down that lays inside when it beats for something more? I finally see the shore. In this pain an island rests where all I loved are safely kept. Somehow I found myself here in its place, and the more I see, the less I grieve. I fade away so you can be living all the dreams you planned.